Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisa Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Breaking news bafethu, uZakhele Lipasa sejoyine iSwelele FC, bam-anawunsile uzogqoka unumber 40. Siyazi ukuthi uZakhele Lipasa last team ayidlalelile i-Orlando Pirates la ahambe khona-ke after-ke they could not agree on i-deal or bebangasamboni as one of the most important players for i-Orlando Pirates. Sazi ukuthi laphana kuSwelele FC uzodlala kanjani umfowethu, but already siyazi ukuthi iSwelele FC si-ede amanye ama-player abacabanga ukuthi ngempela lawo ma-player azokwazi ukushape izinto, ukushintsha izinto, uku-inspire i-team ukuthi ikwazi ukulwa, possibly ithole ama-results a-right going forward. uZakhele Lipasa uyane-experience-ke overall laphana kulokhu njani kuSwelele FC ebholeni lase-South Africa ukuthi uyakwazi ukudeliver overall given an opportunity to play. Uke wawasha amagoli kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa nakuma-cup competitions overall. He has been highly influential, uyakwazi ukuwasha amagoli, hhayi indaba yokudlala. I think laphana kuSwelele FC uye ethimini la kune-pressure khona e-less compared to ukudlalela i-Orlando Pirates overall, but-ke sobona ukuthi ngeke abe down ukuthi sekadlalela i-team encane, like ukuthi abe disappointed. He will be expected to deliver immediately. Why? Because une-experience compared to abanye abadlali. But I mean iSwelele FC sinayo i-team engakwazi ukulwa nanoma yiphi i-team, just that nje izinto azibahambeli kahle. Sithemba ukuthi le depth abayi-edile nama-player aba-edile abo-Happy Mashiane abo-Samkelo Maseko bazokwazi ngempela ukulethela iSwelele FC something fruitfully overall laphana. Asikhulumeni-ke bafowethu nge-coach yelokhunjana what is this ye-Golden Arrows. Khulumile-ke nayo ukuthi ishaye kanjani ilokhunjani iMamelodi Sundowns. Uthi-ke for ukushaya iMamelodi Sundowns overall uthi ngeke achome ngakho because ufila bad ngokuthi ashaye i-team ake wayicoacha before. Uthi-ke but-ke ufila ngathi uthi iMamelodi Sundowns for yena i-family yakhe overall because uke waba kuma-roles are-different for iMamelodi Sundowns, and-ke uyabonga i-opportunity iMamelodi Sundowns yamnika yona overall. uManqoba mina uthi uyabhiliva ukuthi i-Sundowns-ke izobuya futhi i-reclaim i-position yabo yokuthi i-dominate laphana eligini. Uthi-ke uzwa abantu bethi isizini izoba different laphana. Uthi kodwa ku-opinion yakhe ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns ine-team e-very strong, or it's just a matter of time overall ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns ibuye ku-highly competitive space yayo noma kulesi khala lesi iMamelodi Sundowns sijwayele ngaso bafethu overall. Uthi uma ubheka ama-recruitment abawalethile laphana ufila ngathi benze kahle kakhulu. Uthi ucabanga ukuthi uNuno Santos i-player eli-good ngempela. Uthi ku-opinion yakhe is just to see i-team iluza, ukubona iMamelodi Sundowns iluza to i-team yakhe i-Golden Arrows akudefine ukuthi i-team ayikho good enough because uthi ku-opinion yakhe iklasi i-permanent overall. But Manqoba mnqethu ukwazile ukuyishaya iMamelodi Sundowns overall. Ukushaya i-former team yakhe futhi ngabe uyishaye nge-score esi-serious, but-ke abafana bakazwanga ukuba clinical laphana phambili ukuthatha ama-opportunities bawavalele overall. Omunye u-coach esingakhuluma ngaye bafethu u-coach we-Kaizer Chiefs uKhalil Ben Yusuf we-Kaizer Chiefs. Ukhulume after igame yabo nelona neMarumo Gallants. Uthe okokuqala ufuna ukuthi congratulations to coach weMarumo Gallants. Uthi team yakhe iperforma kahle kakhulu this season and bayiside vele eli-good, i-team ngempela ekwaziyo ukukhompyutha overall. Uthi kunama-qualities laphana kuMarumo Gallants. Uthi for bona uthi beba-deserve ngempela ukuyiwina igame. Uthi bayimanage kahle igame overall. Uthi beba-in control of igame for 90 minutes. Uthi azange baba nama-situations amaningi ukuthi bakore. Uthi situation from bona ilokhunjani, okay. Uthi situation yabo bebashutha outside the box and bekuyi-lucky babe nenhlanhla ukuthi bashaye lela goli lila overall. But-ke uthi like he said before, uma udlala ibhola kumele ukore, yinto ebalulekile because uma une-opportunity yokukora i-first goal, even if like ulishaya last minute of the game or ama-opportunities nje uma uwathola overall ayi-3 or ayi-4, uthi beba-unlucky ngempela for bona ukuthi bangakwazi ukuwina igame. Uthi second half baqale kahle kakhulu igame, the first 15 minutes babe nama-opportunities awu-2 ukuthi bakore, but-ke uyasho ukuthi i-football linjalo-ke, if awukwazi ukuthatha ama-opportunities wakho kune-risk ukuthi ukhonside igoli overall. Uvala ngokuthi congratulations to Marumo Gallant for ama-point, i-hard work for bona. Uthi manje ukuthi now igame seyiphelile, ukuthi kumele bacabange nge-very next game e-very important leya nge-weekend. Siyazi ukuthi weekend bazodlala i-CAF Confederations Cup la balidwa khona 1-0, aba-expected ukuthi bashaye 2 or more goals, bangaconcede overall laphana bafowethu. I mean, i-Kaizer Chiefs nayo ayikho convincing, but kuzobonakala ukuthi bazokwazi ukuwubambela, bazokwazi ukuba highly competitive laphana, because they'll be expected ukuthi babuye bakwazi ukukhompitha, bakwazi ukushaya amagoli, bakwazi ukuba i-team ngempela ekwaziyo ukuwina izinto nokuphusha overall ukuthi bathole ama-results for i-Kaizer Chiefs. But masibheka i-Kaizer Chiefs overall, amagoli wabo azobuyaphi nge-weekend, cause bayawathola ama-opportunities but baya-struggle ukuwakora lawo ma-opportunities. So kaze-ke ubani ozoba-inspire ukuthi bawathole amagoli futhi bawathole ama-chance and then bawavalele phakathi ukuthi bakwazi ukushaya amagoli. That would be very interesting to see ukuthi ubani ozokwazi ukulida i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana, ozophakamisa isandla sakhe ukuthi okay, mina ningangithemba ukuthi ngizowashaya amagoli, ngeke ngidlale ngempela, because yeah, abanye abantu bayazifihla laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu. They're not raising their hands, they're not pushing enough for i-team, babonise ngempela ukuthi bayafuna ukulwela i-Kaizer Chiefs, they are willing to die for the team, for the club overall. But-ke kuthiwa umuntu akalahlwa, sesiyobona ngabo mebedlala laphana abafana be-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi nge-weekend bazodiliva or ngeke bedilive overall for i-Kaizer Chiefs, where the results are expected each and every game. Mawungadlali kahle, you are crucified online, but yeah, abafana they know what is at stake and what is expected. Coach Mamelodi Sundowns ngizwe-complaina nge-pitch izolo, ikhala ngokuthi i-pitch beyinjani. Yes, I think i-valid complaint ukuthi i-pitch vele beyingekho right since bekunetha, bebangakwazi ukudlala ibhola labalijwayele. But every time mangilalela i-coach Mamelodi Sundowns yadliwa inama-excuse, yawina, everything is rosy, but-ke njalo medliwe nama-excuse akasho ukuthi okay, the team was better than bona. Mawubheka igame ezolo i-Golden Arrows were better than Mamelodi Sundowns in terms of creator ama-clear chances. Golden Arrows ngabe ishaye boma-3 goals or more, but ayikwawathathanga lawo ma-opportunities lawo, iwine nje 1-0 nje kuphela, which was they tried iMamelodi Sundowns to keep the score ukuthi sibe phansi, but-ke iMamelodi Sundowns zange i-create ama-chances awawu kakhulu compared to Golden Arrows. Mawubheka Golden Arrows ukuthi i-create ama-chance angakanani, uyabona ukuthi yiyo i-team ngempela edeservayo kuyiwina leya game leya, and they won it 1-0. Sithemba ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns izokwazi ukurectify amaphutha wayo heading to lawo amanye amagame, ikwazi ukuwathola ama-results overall. Kuzoba isizini enzima for Miguel Cardoso, because amanye ama-fans awamthembi, athi udlala ibhola eli-different, bona ibhola abangalazi, because Mamelodi Sundowns kune-certain style of football elabadlalayo. Miguel Cardoso ubazela ngesitayela bona abangasazi futhi abangasijwayele, but-ke maybe isizini mayilokhu iqhubeka bazogcina bemvuma uMiguel Cardoso. Asazi ngempela ukuthi izinto zizoma kanjani laphana for iMamelodi Sundowns noMiguel Cardoso, but overall sibafisile inhlanhla abafowethu. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.